binibigyan mo ng boses yung mga ordinaryong tao na matagal nang natatahimik. Because I firmly believe that real impacts happen when you empower people to speak. Because when you empower people to speak, you empower them to dream. And when you empower people to dream, just like me, they rise. Onyo Bicolano is more than just kahapon. It's actually a representation of a Bicolano in a totally different perspective.
When I look at the four of us and all the other DJs of Love Radio, I see four different stories, different lives, but only one purpose: to change lives. Because Love Radio changes lives.